PCOS can pose unique challenges to a woman's life. It impacts not only their reproductive health but also their overall lifestyle and well being, especially for a working woman who is also supposed to balance her professional responsibilities with PCOD management. It becomes quite a task. In this video, I am going to share with you PCOD diet meal plan, which is quick, easy and nutritious to help you manage PCOD effectively. Start your day with a handful of soaked nuts consisting of at least 4 to 5 munakka, 1 to 2 Brazil nuts and 4 to 5 almonds soaked and peeled. These are delicious and it provides you with essential nutrients. Soaking the nuts is essential because nuts contain anti-nutritional factors which inhibit nutritional absorption. So when you soak it, you increase the nutritional absorption power of the nuts. Now for breakfast, try to club carbs and fiber together so that it prevents sugar spike in your body. As we know, in PCOD there is insulin resistance in the body. So suppose if you have a veg dalia or veg poha in your breakfast, try to club it with a low GI food like some sprouts or maybe few chunks of tofu. Also try to use high fiber vegetables like beans, peas, broccoli, green leafy vegetables, and also good quality plant protein sources are always better as compared to milk and milk product, as cattle are given antibiotic injections and milk these days can be a reason for hormonal imbalance. Now if we talk about mid morning, try to have anything that satisfies your hunger curve. Make sure that this meal also has some protein in it because your body can manifest it as glucose craving. But if your diet is low in protein, it may be one of the reasons. So in the mid morning, have low carbohydrate fruits like pear, papaya, apple, berries. Plus you can add some omega-3 seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, because these are going to improve the insulin sensitivity in the body. Now quickly coming to the lunch. So as we all have heard, eat the rainbow. Even the World Health Organization recommends eating at least 5 to 7 different colors of fruits and vegetables in a day. So make sure for lunch you have good source of fiber and protein, wherein you can opt for quinoa as it has high protein content as compared with rice. You can also have brown rice with lots of green vegetables like beans, peas, carrots. Also you can include a good plant protein like anything made of soya bean, tofu, chickpea, kidney beans, any beans, or maybe even yellow dals. A rich source of protein will help you in balancing your blood sugar level, and it will also help in the absorption of essential micronutrients. And since you're a working woman and you don't have time to make separate dishes, just go for one pot meal. Like you can have a single dish wherein you add rice, you add lots of vegetables, tofu cubes, or maybe you can add boiled chickpeas or soya bean chunks. So this one pot meal is going to be a time saver and it is going to be a power packed nutritious meal. Even if you prefer to use dairy like curd or milk, I would suggest that go for a skimmed or a very low fat milk, not the full fat one. If you want to have anything post lunch, if you want to have anything to drink, I would suggest anything that soothes and calms the body. Like you can go for chamomile tea or you can go for chasteberry. Chasteberry has a property of increasing progesterone levels in the body and it's a key hormone in PCOD management. So this can really have positive effects on your hormonal balance on the body. Now for the evening, around 6 or 7 p.m, it's usually like the devil's hour when you feel like eating something savory. So for this time I would recommend you can have a sprout chaat or maybe you can have a sweet potato chaat because it is rich in B6. Sweet potato has estrogen detoxification effect. It's also important for PCOD management. So within this you can add any vegetable of your choice like tomato, cucumber, onion. You can also add in some lemon juice to increase the vitamin C. For dinner, have millets. You can make any dish like dalia using jowar or using ragi, or using bajra. So millets contain bioactive compounds and they have high fiber, which helps you in weight management because PCOD slows down your metabolism. So again, I would recommend that you club it with a source of protein and some fiber, for which you can add vegetables of your choice. And you can also add some boiled chana or chickpea and handful of sprouts to improve the nutritional content of the dalia. You can also have a side dish as a sprout salad. Now, as you wind up your day, you can have a bedtime tea. It could be anything like jasmine tea, hibiscus tea, or chamomile tea. All these tea have a soothing effect on your brain and it helps in inducing melatonin, which promotes better sleep. Also, adequate sleep, we all know, is very, very important for hormonal balance. So, if you are following this diet, I also suggest you to strictly monitor your sleeping habits because sleep is your medicine by the end of the day. So make sure to take a sound sleep of at least 6 hours, and also see what time you go to bed and what time you wake up is very important. So try to go with the biological body clock, like sleeping a little early, waking a little early, and engage in some physical exercise. So yes, managing PCOS with a healthy diet for a working woman is challenging task, but I hope with this plan that I have shared you might be able to meet your nutritional and health goals with your weight management. And if you incorporate these easy and nutritional one pot meal recipes which have balance of carbs, proteins and fiber in your daily routine, it can make significant improvement in your hormones. So if you are a case where you are trying to lose weight, remember you have to have a balance of fiber and protein in each meals throughout the day, because these two nutrients are research proven for weight management. This is nutritionist Tanya and you're watching Health Fit Nutrition. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. I wish you good health, eat healthy and stay fit with Health Fit Nutrition.